Welcome to our channel. If you need to select a primary care doctor who fits your health needs, follow these step-by-step instructions to make the best choice. Step 1. Determine what type of primary care provider you need. Options include family physicians who treat all ages, internists for adults, or pediatricians for children. Step 2. Check which doctors are in your insurance network. Visit your insurance company's website or call customer service to get a list of participating primary care providers. Step 3. Consider location and office hours. Choose a doctor with a convenient office location and hours that fit your schedule, including evening or weekend availability if needed. Step 4. Research the doctor's credentials and experience. Check their medical school, residency training, board certification status, and years in practice on state medical board websites. Step 5. Read online reviews from current and former patients. Look for feedback about wait times, bedside manner, staff friendliness, and how well the doctor listens and communicates. Step 6. Verify the doctor is accepting new patients. Call the office directly to confirm availability and ask about how quickly you can get an appointment for new patients. Step 7. Consider the doctor's hospital affiliations. If you need hospitalization, you want a primary care doctor with privileges at a quality hospital convenient to you. Step 8. Schedule an initial consultation or meet and greet appointment. Many doctors offer brief visits so you can meet them, ask questions, and determine if they're a good fit for your healthcare needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.